Hello, today we have this kind of target. So we are going to get some data from the web and we should use URL source. We will get this data as DAX, data analysis expressions. So we should add a mini calendar enable, and after we should match VLOOKUP function for handle object information. Okay, let's crack it. We should create new Excel workbook. We will choose from web. It's required URL line. Namely, we will get this data. We will take the copy of this address and we will put here and okay. Yes. We load. It needs a few minutes for import because the data is big. By the way, we are getting actually 2021. Let's go developer adds in and let's enable mini calendar. If you are going to some find, you can find by this calendar. Yes, it's enough. Take this mini calendar. Yes, add, continue. This way. So if you want to some hours, yes, hours. Let's write a matching function, VLOOKUP function, this range, completely data, and we need exchange rate. Now we will choose the 15 for US should be 15 and right now. Here, if you will put here, wait, it needs to get this number. Yes, this way. More decimals. By this, you can change automatically and you avoid time wasting. Hide this. Yes, it's work. Thanks for watching.